Work platforms on support. Work platforms which move along one or various supports which serve as mountings via a rack and pinion mechanism are defined as work platforms on support or support scaffolds. Pertinent legislation. From the marketing point of view, these items of equipment are considered machines. Therefore, they will need to have the CE sign, the approval declaration, and the instruction manual. On the other hand, in order for workers to use it, Royal Decree 1215/97, modified by Royal Decree 2177/04, will apply. Therefore, estimate note is honoured by the CE sign. Assembly and disassembly plan can be replaced by the manufacturer's instruction manual. Assembly will be carried out under the direction of at least personnel with 2 or more years' experience as certified by the employer and with a basic level in work-related risk prevention and workers with specific and suitable training. Inspections will be carried out by at least personnel with 2 or more years' experience and with a basic level in work-related risk prevention training as certified by the employer. Equipment components. Central unit on chassis. Platforms. Side protections. Support units. Final support unit with buttressing. Details of the buttressing. Mounting blocks. Electrical operating panel. Power
Gruppo
unit.
motore.
Inductive detector of support presence. Counter rollers. Trade ends under platform. Details of the rolling track of the lower track ends. Support protection. Shock absorbers. Assembly equipment, IPEs. Hard hat. Harness. Retractable anti-fall device. Gloves which protect against mechanical risks. Professional safety footwear. Visor. Ear defenders. Assembly. The assembly supervisor explains the tasks to be carried out to the workers. He will use the manufacturer's instruction manual to this end. With the help of the crane and on a previously prepared platform, the central unit is placed. Slings are taken away. The central shaft is fixed. The equipment is balanced using the jacks of the stabilizing legs, 2 ways. We tighten. We check the workings of the unblocking of the motor brake. The modules of the platform are put in place. We put together. Bolts are put in place. Safety split pin. The unit on the other side is put in place. We work symmetrically in order to balance loads. We secure. Safety split pin. We repeat the above with the placing of the remaining units of the platform. We display and secure. When the placing of the platform units is completed, we proceed to install the side protections. We fix them. Ladder. Side protection. The positioning of side protections is completed. The other side protection. General view of the protections once installed. We proceed to install the electrical operating panel. The control panel and power lead are connected. From this moment on, workers on the platform are secured by the retractable anti-fall device. In order to place the support modules, they are drawn up. They are fixed with screws and nuts. We tighten nuts. We continue with the next unit. To do this, we raise the platform. We draw it up. Another tightening. We proceed with the raising to place a new unit. This time with the components needed for the first fixing to the wall. We can see how the workers are secured by the anti-fall device against a possible unit failure. We drill. We draw up the fixing bar with its plug. Tightening. Flange fixed to the support. The connection to the mounting support on the support is completed. We can now proceed. We add a new support module. Tightening. The final section is put in place. We can see that it has been painted red for identification purposes. In this section, as a safety measure, the rack only reaches the middle of the section. We continue with another mounting, this time the final one. We restrain the upper section. We screw down. We restrain the lower section. Tightenings are finished. We fix to the slab. We drill. We put in mountings. We tighten. We fasten to the mounting's base using restraints. As we cannot drill the front of the slab, we do so on the top. We lower the platform to its lowest level. Now we can place the support protection. New instructions from the assembling manager. Rack lubrication. Track ends. Rollers. Inductive detector. Power unit and anti-fall device. Inspections. Load panel. Action at end of track. Power unit brake. Anti-impalement protection. We can see anti-impalement protection under the power unit. We can see the setting lever. Also, the presence detector and the wedge. The platform is raised. The worker gets off. The platform is freed using the remote control, and it free falls. The platform stops gently as the safety device comes into operation. Once the inspection is over, the owner is handed the certificate and the instruction manual. Disassembly. From the scaffolding platform, the workers, secured by the anti-fall system, proceed to withdraw the upper settings, supports and bars. Alter this, the final unit is withdrawn. And the following units, until they reach the next mounting. With the help of the crane, the support units are taken away. We withdraw it. We continue. The support's protection is taken away. The platform is raised to take off a new unit. The unit is taken away. New mounting. The platform is lowered. Now, on this occasion, two support units are taken off at the same time. With the platform at its lowest level, we proceed to withdraw side protections, electrical operating panel, side protection, platform units, for this, we use the crane. New units. Withdrawal of ladder protection. Section of ladder. Main unit. To this end, we sling on the points suggested by the manufacturer. We have finished. The different components that have been placed in an orderly fashion on the ground are now ready to be taken away.